Have you ever wondered why dogs smell around on walks all the time? Well, it's probably because their sense of smell is a lot better than ours. It's kind of how they see the world, but how exactly do they do that? Let's break it down.
What is smell? Smell consists of tiny molecules that float through the air, and our nose is able to grab onto these molecules. The molecules then pass through our nose and reach a part in the brain called the olfactory bulb. And in this olfactory bulb are receptors that pick up on the molecules and are able to send signals to our brain.
So the question remains, how can dogs smell so much better? Well, to put it into perspective, humans have 5 to 6 million receptors in their olfactory bulb. And that sounds like a lot, but dogs have 100 to 300 million receptors in their olfactory bulb, and that's a huge difference.
When dogs inhale, the air travels between two different paths. One goes to their lungs for breathing, and one goes to their smell receptors. These smell receptors are able to retain this smell in their nose, so for when they exhale, they have ability to pick up on the faintest of scents. And this ability allows them to possibly even pick up on the scent of poop in a field of roses.
Because dogs are so good at smelling, humans have trained them to do some pretty special jobs. There's an entire unit in the police force called the Canine Unit, which uses dogs to help find things that normal humans couldn't. They help solve crimes on a daily basis. Humans also have trained dogs to be hunters. Hunters will go out with dogs and they'll help them find animals in the woods that a human eye couldn't see and a human nose couldn't smell.
We even have started using dogs for conservation. Dogs' noses are so good that scientists have started to train them to help find rare plants and animals so they can help monitor their presence and make sure they stay healthy. Some examples of these are zebra mussels, plant dyer's wood, grizzly bears, flammulated owls, and black-footed ferrets. Other ways conservation dogs are used are for security checkpoints. They're even able to sniff out body parts from endangered animals that people aren't legally allowed to take or sell, such as rhinos, sharks, elephants, and birds. There are even medical detection dogs that are able to be trained in order to detect cancer, malaria, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, narcolepsy, and even COVID-19. They're able to sniff out the tiniest of changes in someone's hormones, leading them to alert their owner. This is an important ability for these dogs since it can help save someone's life.
So next time you're on a walk and your dog stops to smell, just remember, they're trying to see the world in a way that you can't understand.